And I was driving a car, yeah. And then I was driving a car, yeah.
That's alright.
And
Yo, I'll tag you in this tomorrow, blood. I will tag you in this tomorrow.
driving a car.
That's alright. Come here. It's alright, Uncle Leroy.
Then they stopped me.
Who?
The English soldier. The police stopped me. Then they said,
Move it this way.
and why are you driving too?
Move it
They
right,
said,
move it right.
why are you driving too fast?
Yeah.
Then I say, what I say is, I love
Watch the fire.
Pakistan.
Yeah.
I love Pakistan. Pakistan people, my brother.
I'm doing it, come on. Don't watch the
No, you leave now.
Don't watch the phone, don't watch the phone.
I love Pakistan people because they are
Don't watch the phone, watch the phone.
same generations with me. The English or the American, they want to fuck with Muslim. I will tell you something.
Yo, you show.
Stay away with, don't fuck with the Muslim. Because you know why? Because we are fucking soldier. Just, you know the problem is the English and the American, they're trying to fuck with the Muslim. You know why? They want
Mujahid. Mama goes.
Muslim of Prophet.
Look, man. He goes, I am from Birmingham. And he goes,
Yeah, but you
that
drink
guy here, the
alcohol.
black dude, I am from Birmingham. He goes,
You drinking alcohol? Alcohol's bad. Alcohol's no good.
Do you know where? Do you know where?
No. You're drinking too much alcohol. Alcohol's no
Do you
good.
know where I was born?
Never mind that you're drinking
I
alcohol.
was born in Germany.
You're drinking alcohol. Alcohol is
I
no
was
good.
that's against a religion
Yes.
anyway.
Alcohol is talking.
Allah say
Alcohol is talking. I'm talking to
I was
alcohol.
born in Germany.
Look. See that bag? That's your bag. Your bag.
No, I want to go to fire, man.
That's your bag. Your bag is that's alcohol.
man.
You're not supposed to
No,
drink alcohol.
what's your name?
Harry. What's your name?
Muhammad.
Mohammed. I'm Harry. How are you?
Brother, what's your name?
Harry.
Yes, Uncle Leroy.
Harry.
Harry.
You believe Jesus? You know, in Birmingham, yeah? And lots Jamaican people become Muslim.
All day Jamaican.
All over. They become Muslim. And they want, and in more, I went mosque in Birmingham, you know, I went Jamaican man. I went mosque and I tried to pray, yeah? And I was drunk.
But look, you got
know what
alcohol
they
there,
do?
you got alcohol.
You know what
You're praying and you're drunk, you got alcohol
You
there.
know what they said to me? Jamaican, you know what they said to me? They said to me, and he was white. Very
Yeah, you don't watch him, don't watch him. Just
Very
let him.
What's your name? One Jamaican guy. What's your name? I said, my name is.
I know.
My name is Muhammad. And he said to me, yeah, yes.
You don't know.
I love him, you know. Birmingham. I go. Today I will die. Today I will die.
Today,
I will die.
well, drink your drink first because you got a big bag of drink there, man.
No, I go to fire.
Okay, go on then. Go on. Oh, you see, you change your mind. Go on, you go. Yeah, okay.
This guy's crazy.
Have you got any money? Because money burns. And then fall. I'm poor, man. You got the money. I'm poor, and not but you die with money in your pocket. Might as well die poor.
He did this for jihad.
Yeah, you're not going to
Only pay a little money in his face.
Come this way, come this way. Oh man, you took a Ramel, you need to get his face.
Trust me, he needs to see his face in him.
You're bogus, aren't you?
Oh.
Yeah, every time he goes there, he goes.
Yeah, people drink Drink your drink first, then go in the fire. No, don't go in the fire with the drink. That's a waste
Put your drink down to walk in the fire, yeah?
You're bogus, we found you now.
That's me. From Bradford, bro.
Easy, Bradford, bro. Yeah, man.
That's why we're German. We all from Bradford around here, bro.
Chinese, yeah? Ni hao.
Bradford.
Bradford.
Obama.
Mujahid. Oh my God. Yo, I will tag you in this tonight, blood. I will.
Yeah, man. It's all about Allah, innit? It is for Allah, nothing but Allah. But it's the beginning of Bismillah. That is what Taqwa be wearing of Allah. Know that song? Remember, why did you video that?
Yo.
You're on YouTube tomorrow, star.
Yo.
You're a star.
Yo. Yeah.
Yeah.
You're famous now.
I'm from Germany and Birmingham.
You're the side man from
I'm
Birmingham.
Oh my God, blood.
Do you speak German?
Yeah.
Yo,
You're not from Germany. You're not from Germany, are you? You're not from Germany, man. Nah.
I'm from Birmingham either. I say hello in German. Excuse me, Mohammed.
Yes.
yo, this guy's been cracking up on time, blood. This guy's been killing it.
Why you call you, man? Who the camera? Hello. No, that's rubbish.
Nah, that's Bradford.
Africans like that,
Nah, you're having this on there.
you're making the shots even one flavor or something like that.
You're having this on. Have a little sip and then come again.
Shut up.
No, I'm not shutting up, mate.
I call you scumbag.
Nah, we're not shutting up because we're locals.
Yeah.
Nah, we're locals. We're not shutting up.
I'm from Africa.
Yeah, man.
First it was Birmingham,
Then it was Germany.
then it was Germany.
Now it's Africa.
Now he's really.
Come on, you gotta make up your mind now.
What are you doing? Committing yourself. Yeah, bro.
Come on, you what?
Andrea, where you from? Where you from? Yeah, come this side, these space,
Look.
man.
There's some girls in there will tear you to pieces, mate.
Not like that.
They've been drinking from this 10
No,
o'clock.
no. I got wife and 3 children.
3 children, you're about to abandon.
So you're gonna walk through the fire?
You gonna walk through the fire, yeah?
Go on then.
Who you doing this for?
Go on, walk through the fire, go on.
Fire?
You're not doing this for
Go on. Go on.
Good man. What do you want?
Easy.
Black move. Excuse me.
Woo! Yes, man.
Empty.
Smell enough.
Have a little sip.
No, innit?
Finish.
Woo!
Have no money, please. I have no house.
Oh my.
Obama.
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 Mujahid. Mujahid. Mujahid.
Obama.
Mujahid. Yo. No Obama in England. Yeah, I'm about to run out. I'm gonna have to record this again. I'm gonna have to record it twice. Because it can only record for 10 minutes. I'm just gonna record that again.
If you're the Prophet Muhammad, you can walk through there
I'm not
and still
prophet,
live.
I'm not prophet Muhammad.
Barefoot.